Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Day of the Disappeared. The International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearance is celebrated on August 30th. It aims to raise awareness of the alarming increase in the number of enforced disappearances, which has now become a global problem. The feeling of insecurity generated by this practice is not limited to the close relatives of the disappeared, but also affects their communities and society as a whole. Victims of enforced disappearance are stripped of their most basic rights, dehumanized, and tortured. Enforced disappearance is the arrest, detention, abduction, or other deprivation of liberty by agents of the state or by persons or groups of persons acting with the authorization, support, or acquiescence of the state. It is followed by a refusal to acknowledge the deprivation of liberty or to give information on the fate or whereabouts of the disappeared person with the intention of removing them from the protection of the law. Enforced disappearance is a serious violation of the human rights. It is classified as a crime against humanity and a war crime. There are millions of victims of enforced disappearances around the world. They are from all walks of life and from all countries. The International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearance aims to provide justice to the victims and their family.